Let us discuss about the align type. So if you go to the work tree, let us just go to the curve library that you have created. Okay. And if you go to the settings, so in the settings, you have this align type. Okay. So by default, auto shall be selected. Okay. So if you go to this particular curve library, we have selected this alignment type as auto. Okay. And from the drop down menu, we have two more options, that is tangential and parallel. Okay, so this particular curve library, we have used the auto option. Okay, and similarly, we have another curve library. In this, we have used the tangential option. Okay, so the cross section is same, the length is same. The only change is that we have used the align type as tangential. And next, we have one more curve library that we have defined. So in this, we have used the parallel. Okay, so we have three curve libraries having three different align type. Now in the layout or in the base mode, we have assigned or we have created three layouts. So the three layouts are quite similar to each other. So basically the alignment that starts at 0 and then as it gradually moves up, it has got a vertical variation. So if you go to this particular layout, and if you click on the edit, you can see that the length is 10. Okay, and the vertical alignment along the length, you have a 5-meter elevation. Okay, the same applies for the remaining two alignments. So over here, the length is 10 and the vertical variation also h is equal to 5 meters. Okay, so we have defined three same layouts. Now let us try assigning the different curve libraries onto each layout. So let's go to curve, let's click on assign, and then first let us assign the auto to the first layout, and let's click on apply. So now you can see that this is how this particular curve library shall be assigned to the layout. So now you can see that the starting face of this particular cross section is perpendicular to the layout. Okay, so you have this layout like this and the starting face is perpendicular. Okay, next let us try assigning the parallel option. Okay, so from the drop down menu, let us select parallel. So this is the parallel curve library, and let us select the segment and let's click on this segment and let's click on apply button. So now you can see that the starting face is along the global Z direction. Okay, so whenever you are using the parallel option, kindly note that the starting face shall be along the global Z direction. So it shall not be perpendicular to the layout. Okay, next let us use the tangential curve library. So let us go to this tangential. So this is the curve library where we have defined the align type as tangential. Let us select this layout and then let's click on apply button. So now you can see that in tangential also you have the first cross section that is perpendicular to the layout. So basically tangential and parallel. So for tangential, the first face shall be or the face of the cross section shall be perpendicular to the layout, and for parallel, the face of the cross section shall be parallel to the global Z direction. And when it comes to auto, that is the auto align type. And in case of auto, whenever there is no align type specified, it would be assigning the cross section perpendicular to the layout. So in most of the cases, auto shall be quite similar to the tangential. So now these are the three types of align type that is available when you are creating the curve library.